5 times 12 gives us 60. And again, here we have 12 times 5, which again gives us 60. And 60 divided by 60 is equal to just 1. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operation, PEMDAS, which I will write here. So according to the rule PEMDAS, P stands for parenthesis, E stands for exponent, M and D stands for multiplication and division, A and S stand for addition or subtraction. According to this rule, the first thing to solve is parenthesis, and then exponent, and then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. So parenthesis is priority number 1, right? And then exponent is priority number 2, and on priority number 3 there is multiplication or division, and finally we have to solve addition or subtraction on priority number 4. Here is where most people get wrong. They think multiplication comes before division, therefore multiplication has higher priority than division. But that is wrong. Multiplication or division both have 3 priority. They are priority number 3, and we have to solve them left to right, right? So that is what we are going to do. That is the right way to solve this problem, and we are going to start from 5 and we are going to solve the problem all the way to 12 times 5 in order left to right. So that is the right way to solve the problem, and we are going to do that correctly so we would get the correct answer. So 5 times 12 gives us 60. So 60 divided by 12 times 5 is going to be the next thing to do, right? So here we have a division and multiplication problem, and we have to do the division, right? Because it comes first, and we are going to simply solve the problem left to right, and that is what we are going to do. So 60 divided by 12 gives us 5, and 5 times 5 is equal to 25. So the final answer to this question is 25.